Hello everyone, welcome to my channel guys. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV. So guys, there's a new thing I found out from last year. Like when you plant your callaloo and the callaloo tree seed up, instead of just make it dry down guys, I'm gonna show you how to pick off the leaf off the tree and use it, and then pick off the seed and let them dry for next year season. So okay guys, I'll turn the camera guys so you can see how I'm picking off the leaves off the callaloo tree. Sorry guys about my camera. That's my security. So whenever time I come outside or anyone come in my yard, she remind us that, we are being recorded. So guys, sorry about that. So guys, this is how I save my callaloo. So you just pick off the leaf them, because right now the trunk of the callaloo is hard, so you can't use it. So instead of wasting it, you just go around and you pick off the leaf. The leaf is still good, guys. So last year I realized that I don't have to let the whole thing waste, because this part is hard. So you just pick off the leaf them guys, and you can still cut them up, because right here, that's it, the callaloo tree done. Boy guys, my camera I love to talk, but there's nothing I can do right now. So you just pick off the leaf them guys. Yes guys, my camera tell me something being recorded because he think me a criminal, but that's all right. So this is how you pick off your callaloo leaf. Just pick them off, go through them and pick them off. And even the young one, there are some young one on the tree. I live where it's cold, so it start to get cold. So we're not gonna get much from these anymore. So me just pick off the leaf them and use them, because they're still good. Right there, guys. So you just pick off the leaf. Just pick off your leaf, guys. Pick off the leaf. So you didn't know this is another app, guys. So my callaloo them guys don't have no pesticide. When they just plant, and then when my callaloo them just start grow, I put some fertilizer. I only put fertilizer on this callaloo tree one time. One time I never put nothing on it. I didn't put pesticide. Guys, sorry about the camera. Every time I go in front of the camera, it picking me up, and my raised bed is right in front of the camera. So guys, I also have some spinach. My mother brought me these spinach from Jamaica, and I plant them. But guys, the spinach them was growing so nice right here. And I pick off the spinach them, and now I'm trying to grow them so we could get some seed. But the time gets so cold. They're not growing seed. Guys, I'm leaving all the callaloo seed, because later on I'm gonna come back and pick off all the leaf them, all the seed them, and put them to dry to use next year, guys. Because as I said, I live where it is cold, so it's not gonna benefit me. I'm not gonna get no seed from my spinach, so maybe I go on Amazon or one of them place, go see if I can get some spinach seed. All right, guys, the camera stop talking, guys, because I'm not in its way. But as soon as I go back in the way, it's gonna pick me up. So guys, this is a new thing you can do. If you're in a place where it's cold and you plant callaloo and fall coming, guys, don't waste your callaloo leaf. Just go around the tree them and pick off the leaf and use them. See guys, look at the amount of leaf. So this is coming like the spinach. Guys, now you see the camera pick me up again. Now tap, tell me if it's some tap smiling, Yes guys, so this is how you can pick off your callaloo leaf and use them. Can you steam them just the same like when you cut it? I'm gonna leave the seed them guys to plant. When I must say this year I get a lot of callaloo seed. So next year I'm gonna try to do a bigger raised bed for my callaloo, because I should be able to get a lot of callaloo next year. Yes, guys. Guys, if you're still watching this video, please comment, subscribe, and share. And this is a good video to share to show people that not because the callaloo tough, the trunk of the callaloo tree tough, doesn't mean that you should just let the tree stay there and the leaf them dry up. Pick off the young one them, see? Just pick these off because now it's cold. I'm not gonna be able to get anything much from this again. That's it. That's the end of the road. So if you see young one on it, you just pick them off. You just need the seed. So now I'm picking off the leaf and I'm gonna leave the seed. So this is what you call picking callaloo leaf. Harvesting callaloo leaf, guys, our baby. No pesticide on these callaloo. One time I fertilized them. But guys, because the weather change and was so quick this year, the callaloo them, a lot of people have problems. My callaloo have fall asleep. Not even leave them, guys. Me I pick them up. This year, the weather kind of mess with everything. Fully stuff them, so we didn't get much this year. I didn't get a lot of tomato and all those stuff. All my pumpkin tree die. Yes, guys. So I'm picking my callaloo leaf. Picking the callaloo leaf. So I'm gonna use this steam this callaloo. See, guys. So it's all the tree just left. You hear the camera, guys? So anybody thinks that they can come in my out in the yard, they have a next guest coming because my security man I watch for me and tell them that I'm smiling, smile because you're being recorded. That's good. So guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe, and share, guys. And I already harvest some string bean, so I'm gonna do another clip on this one to show you how I my string bean that I harvest this morning and some tomato. All right, guys, I'll check you back, guys, when I'm finished because this is a lot of bend down and my back tired. So yes, guys, that's the amount I get. My cut off the spinach. I'm gonna steam them. When you cook the spinach by itself, it kind of slime, but when you cook it with the callaloo, it come out nice and you don't even realize that spinach is in it. So guys, I'm gonna show you. And when I go inside, I'm gonna video and show you how much I got from all the callaloo that I pick. It's just the stem left out there. But guys, I wanted to show you just this stem with the seed from the callaloo is there, but my camera keep making noise, so and I know I won't be able to mute this video, then you wouldn't hear what I'm saying. So maybe I should do a voiceover, I don't know, but then this would be a too long of a voiceover to do. All right, guys. Yes, guys, so these are what I just harvest. The rest are callaloo, some kale, some string bean and tomato, and that's what I harvest this morning earlier. So this is all I got today. So that's the end of the road for this season gardening. Right, guys? So thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you please watch, comment, subscribe, and share. And take care of yourself until next time. Next season. All right, guys. But I'll still be doing my cooking channel, my cooking channel. I'll be still cooking and stuff like that. But for the garden for this year, that's it.